What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, or to the channel if you're new. Thanks for stopping by, checking out the video. It is August 9th, my birthday. Today I am doing several different things, but first I'm going to install this 21-inch CVO rim on the bike. I already did the back one. I did that one yesterday. Get down there. Yep. Changed out the rear one. Did new rear brakes. Flushed the rear brakes. Did a 3-hole service. Cleaned the air filter. All that good stuff. This video, like I said, we're going to put that 21-inch rim on here with the new tire. And then our friends over at Van Black, you got it, sent me a 21-inch wraparound fender for it. So that's what this video is going to be about. Sorry for that bright light back there. And the next video is going to be showing you guys how to flush your front brakes and your clutch. But that'll be the next video. Right now we're going to do this. Let me get everything set up, and I'll turn it back on. Sit tight. Alright, I'm still getting stuff set up and all that. Just real quick. If you got these axle caps, it's supposed to be, I think, a 2.5 millimeter Allen. They strip. They always do. Get yourself a T15 star bit and beat it in there, and they'll come right off. So, just a little tip for you. Alright, I'm back. Alright. So, what I've done, got those caps off that I just told you a little trick about. Gathered up all the tools I'm going to need. Minus the hammer here, that was for the caps. This is a HW6 6 millimeter. That's going to be for your fender. This is a 1/4 inch. That's going to be for your, no, wait, my bad. 1/4 inch is for the fender. The HW6 for caliper. You have to have a 12 point, 10 millimeter. Right there for your 2 caliper bolts. A 15/16 for your axle nut. And make sure you've got torque wrenches, because all this stuff's got to be torqued back down. Make sure you get you some good waterproof grease for your axle. And yeah, that's the stuff we need. And while I'm doing this, my bike's got just about 10,000 miles on it. The brakes don't need it yet, but I went ahead and got some. So we're gonna go ahead and put brakes on it. Like I said, I did a full service on it, so I'm gonna do brake pads. Next video, I'm gonna show you guys how to flush the brakes, flush your clutch. I already did the back one, so I ain't worried about that one. I just did pads and flushed it when I put the new rim and tire on there. So let me get this front rim and tire off. What I'm gonna do, now you need a little bar to stick through your axle nut there. First I'm going to bust this off, and then take the front calipers off, hang them probably from crash bar up here. I got some hooks that I use. I'll hang those up out of the way, and then I'll pull the front rim tire off. I'll take the 4 fender bolts off, take that off, get the new fender out, put that on, put the new tire on, change front brake pads, put it all back together. And then very last thing I'll do, like I said in the next video, will be flush everything. So, alright, let me get this front rim and tire off, and I'll pop back on. See you tight. Alright, one other thing I want to touch on real quick that I kind of forgot about. When you're doing this, take a picture of your spacers. What ones are on what side, all that good stuff. Because on this one, I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, right there. See those lines on it? They have to be in the same direction when you put your new one on, or if you're changing your tire or whatever you're doing. You always make sure you put all your bearings, there we go, back on the same way. Or not bearings, sorry, spacers. So yeah, that's what I wanted to point on. Yeah, I got the calipers hanging. This one you gotta be careful because you got your ABS sensor wire. So yeah, I'm gonna pull this off, take the front tire off first, and then we'll take the fender off, put new fender on, new tire on, and then I'm gonna change the brake pads and put that all back together. So yeah, give me a minute, I'll be right back. Alright, just real quick, I wanted to show you guys the difference here between an 18-inch factory off of a 2020 Ultra Limited and a 21-inch factory off of a 2021 CVO Road Glide. Yeah, Road Glide. Alright, here you go. Quite a bit difference. The 21 looks so much better. Yeah. Here's what she looks like without a wheel on it. And just remember, when you take your axle out, you're trying to take your axle out, make sure you loosen up your pinch bolt. Yeah, I'm a dumbass and forgot. That's what that hammer's for. I'm like, why ain't it coming out? I look, oh, pinch bolt, dumbass. Okay, let me get this fender off and I'll bring you guys back when I unbox the new one. Sit tight. All right. No fender. Fender's over there. Next thing's next. We got a box. Okay. So again, this is from our friends over at Advent Black. Make awesome parts. Got a bag. Sorry for a shitty camera, but deal with it. Okay, in here, all new hardware. And spacers, I'm guessing. Alright, so that is that. We'll put that down here. Of course, everything comes packaged really well. Bag. Oh. Yeah, you just gotta deal with the shitty camera work. No professional. But I am gonna keep this stuff and wrap up the old fender and put it right back in this box. Okay, hold up. Give me a minute. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. Woo! Camera flying everywhere. It will be okay. There we go. Maybe. Whoa! Alright. Got nice rubber down there to protect it during shipping. Yeah. Alright. Oh, she's a beaut. Let me get all this stuff off of it and set it on top of that fender. Or tire, sorry. I'm tired. Top. So yeah, let me do all that. Alright, it's just sitting on there. It will sit up a little higher so you can see the whole rim. You know, something kind of more like that. But yeah, let me get this on the bike and I'll show you guys again, and then we'll throw the tire on there. Maybe I should put the tire on first. Yeah, I think that's a better idea. So I'll put the new rim and tire on first, and then we'll slap the fender on there. Alright, let me get this done and I will show you guys what it looks like. Sit tight. Alrighty, so as you can see, front rim is on it. I already did the brakes. Still haven't flushed anything yet, but I did put new pads on it. I just want to show you here your caliper screws need to be torqued to 43 to 48 foot-pounds, and your brake pin screws, where's it at, where's it at, where's it at? It's called a brake pad pin, is 75 to 102 inch-pounds. Your front axle nut is 70 to 75 foot-pounds, and your front axle pinch screw is 18 to 22 foot-pounds. So make sure you torque all this stuff to spec. You don't want to over tighten it, you don't want to under tighten it, you want to put it to what Harley says to put it at. So I did. Yeah, I still got to torque down the axle and the pinch nut, or pinch bolt, and then we're ready for fender. What do you guys think so far? I like it. Yeah. I've got all of this on here because you have to pop the top off of that when you are pushing your pistons back into your caliper to make room for the new pads. My pads weren't worn, but I figured screw it, I'm doing all this, I want everything 100%. I'm just kind of anal like that. So I am going to torque this front axle nut and the pinch screw, and then get the fender set up in there and get the hardware figured out, and I'll be back to show you guys how to do it all. Alright, sit tight. All I can say is damn, it looks good. What do you think? What do you think? Would you just look at it? Just look at it. Yeah, it looks good. Fender's clean, rest of the bike's filthy. But I've got to ride this Saturday all the way to Detroit, and it's supposed to rain. So I'm not gonna clean the bike up. But man, look at that. Just the edge of the rim is showing all the way around. Look at that. It's a nice fender. And yes, it is metal. Paint looks great. Comes pre-painted. Long, you know, just like all advanced stuff. If the rest of the bike was clean, it would match pretty good. But damn, that wraparound fender. Oh my God, I like it. Let me know what you guys think. Do you like the wraparound? If you used to put a 21 on yours, would you just use the stock fender and get the spacers? Like, what do you like? I like the wraparound. And yes, Advan Black did send this to me free, but that's it. I don't get paid. I wish I did. I don't get paid for nothing. Just my time, and I get to have it on my bike. It's a fair trade for me, because I can't afford to buy all this stuff. They're nice enough to send it to me. I'll make I was gonna say a good video, but I'll say a video on it, because I ain't good at making videos. I just make this crap. But y'all watch it, so hey, thanks. Check them out. Advan Black. I'm telling you, they make some good stuff. I haven't talked to anybody that has been disappointed in their product, so they're doing something right, and they got some cool stuff coming out. Keep your eyes peeled on their website. You won't be disappointed. Okay, I am tired. It's been 2 days. I still got to flush the front brakes and flush the clutch. And this beast is done. Good for another fucking 5,000. And if you didn't know, Harley recommends that you flush all of your brakes and your clutch a minimum of every 2 years. Every two. you get a moisture tester for brake fluid. Make sure it's for .4. Anything under 3% water content, you're good. Anything over 3%, you need to flush them. Next video, that's what we're doing. So keep your eye out for that. All right, again, thank you to Advan Black. They rock. Great products. Sorry, looking out my window over here, waiting on the wife to pull up. But yeah, thanks for stopping by, checking out the video. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Hit the thumbs up. Subscribe. You know, all that good happy horse shit that YouTubers say. Go check out Advan Black. Tell them I sent you. They like to hear that stuff. So, yeah. Till next time. Be safe. Keep the rubber side down. Peace.